वालेकुम दोस्तों, मैं हूं मखदूम अमार हादी। आज मैं आपको जिस टॉपिक पे बात करने लगा हूं इसका नाम है ट्रक एक्सीडेंट लायर डॉल्स। चलिए मैं आपको इसके बारे में बताता हूं। कमर्शियल ट्रक आर quality and heavier than standard passenger vehicles. This means that a collisions involving an 18-wheeler can result in even more severe injuries and long-term concern than a crash involving two cars. The lone star state is particularly dangerous for drives with 522 taxis vehicles involved in fatal truck accidents during one present year alone, accounting for more than 13% of the national total. And next, and if you or a family member has been hurt in an accident with a large truck, you know how deserving these cases can be. The experienced DAS truck accident lawyers at state law officers PC are here to help. We have the skills, responses, and experience required to handle any big accident case in DAS. When you content with us with the details of your situation, we can get off work your right away. Our you know that to protect your rights and maximize your recovery after an 18 vehicles accident, it's in your best interest to take promote action. That's why we will send a team to your accident scene immediately to documents and present crucial evidence and how our dolls truck accident lawyers can be help you. And this results driven attorneys of state laws officers PCR possible about helping crash victims and making highway indoors and across the country safer. That passion drives everything we will do on your behalf. And next, what makes truck accident claims more companies? It's impossible to exchange the need for a lawyer after a truck accident. The truck industry is heavily regulated and include many stakes stakes so truck accident cases are often complex. Here are some of the more complicated aspects of handling a truck accident claim. And thank you so much.